side bends strengthen and stretch the muscles between the ribs and the hips. The soleus squat strengthens your body from your knees to the tip of your toes. When you knock on these doors, you will become more energized, even emotionally, as well as physically. The wall squat will strengthen your glute muscles, your hamstring and quad muscles, and increase your metabolism. standing bird dog exercise works the erector spinae, rectus abdominis, and glute muscles, allowing for correct movement, control, and stability of the whole body. This shoulder stretch at the wall will improve your posture, strengthen your neck and your shoulders, and you'll even be able to lift your hands way up over your head a lot easier. This is called the stop short squat. I'm going to stand in my best posture, legs shoulder width apart, feet well grounded into the floor. I'm going to make a V with my hands and put them on my quads here. And as I slide them down to my knees, I'm going to lower my bum and push my hips back a little bit till I get to my knees, right there. Then I'm going to, with my head in neutral, I'm going to be very relaxed. I'm going to take my shoulders and bring them forward and then tuck my chin into my chest and do the cat pose. Hold it maybe for 3 seconds or so. And then I'm going to come out of that and shove my shoulders back and create an arch in my back with my bum sticking out and do the cow pose. Let's go back to the cat again. Shoulders forward, chin down, arching the back, rounding the back, and then after about 3 seconds, shove that bum out, bring your head up, shoulders go back. Just a couple of these is pretty good, once a day, and then slowly bring your hips up and slide your V hands to the top. Hit the bell too